Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Next to speak is Professor Zhong Yixin. Because he recently the health is not so good, so his paper, presented by Professor Zhong Zhi. Now we are start this talk. The paper title is Paradigm Revolution Creates the General Theory of Artificial Intelligence. Where this talk we are separated into 4 contents. First is introduction. As you know, the information science already passed 70 years since the publication of the paper, The Mathematical Theory of Communications by Professor Zhong, which has later been renamed as information theory. Up to the present time, the theory and the technology related to information have widely been applied to almost every field of science and technology, and made historic progress and great achievement to the marking and bring the world into the information era. Second, I would like to talk about the concept and the definition for the information science. The definition here I give 6 points. First point is paradigm. What is information science paradigm? Second is ontological information. Third is epistemological information. And the fourth is information science. The 5 point is human intelligence and artificial intelligence. Last one is display of information and the information study. So for first definition is what is paradigm? The paradigm for a science discipline is consist of the scientific view and the scientific methodology for that discipline, in which the former definition, what is a discipline, is in things which the later definition define how to do research in the discipline. Second is ontological information. Ontological information produced by objects in real world is defined by the object states and the pattern of the state varying, or presented by the object itself. Third definition is epistemological information. Epistemological information subject perceived from the ontological information of an object have 3 components. First point is the form or syntactic information provided by the object things by the subject. Second point, the utility, the pragmatic information provided by the object evaluation by the subject with respect to the goal. And the third one is meaning, the semantic. Usually we call it is a semantic. The information provided by the object produced by the subject by mapping the former 2 components into the space of meaning, space, and namely the result. So here I give the information science the outline. The information science, we have the 4 content elements. One is the object of information science. Second is the content of the information science. Third is research and therefore information science. Last one is a goal of information. Information. So definition is human intelligence and artificial intelligence. Here I give the definition. What is human intelligence? Now I would like to talk about the giving problem goal knowledge. Human intelligence is its ability to solve the given problem and reach the given goal via utility, the knowledge provided. Second is the artificial intelligence is the machine's ability endowed by humans for simulating and human intelligence. What is the discipline of the information? Yeah, information science. It is the main, the definition, because our conference is related to these topics. The discipline of the information or information study is understood as the study on the entire of information science contain artificial intelligence as its high member. Second, it is also clear as an academic discipline dealing with information science, it should establish its own paradigm so as to have the supreme force for guiding and regulating the relative academic activity of the definition. Next, I would like to talk about the history challenge information discipline has been facing. The mutual relations between science and the philosophy is clear. You can see this map or figure. So the up layer is a philosophy, the world views, and the lower layer is science, the world knowledge. So it is between them is interactive each other. So philosophy and the science should interactive each other and promote, to get the progress. What to do the next? So here I give the figure. I think we should do the paradigm. Because now the paradigm is mainly for physical science, has been misemployed by info discipline. So we need to propose new paradigm for the information science in the philosophy. Here, the number, the odd number is represent the first one is the display of the physical science existed. Yeah, existed. Second, yeah, we can see the paradigm for the display of physical science existed already, because through the maybe about 200 years researches, so the physical paradigm is make a big grade. So the three is a displaying for the info displaying of newly occurred. So up to now, I think this is very new. We need the new paradigm for the philosophy, for the information science, not use the traditional, the physical view, this paradigm. The fourth is no paradigm for information displaying available. So just I talk this. So far, we have not get the paradigm special for information science, for information science. So we need to develop new. So misemployed of the paradigm is unavoidable for information discipline. So we need to develop new paradigm for the information science. The paradigm new is, you see, you can see this figure. In order to get the new paradigm for information science, I give the outline here. Yeah, this comes from the ecological chain of the information. So you see, so any subject you can contain G, K, S. And from the low level is the object environment. Yeah, so you can, this is a chain from the object information to get the intelligent actions. Maybe this this evening, the end of the conference, I gave the panel discussion and mainly talk about this. Yeah, present the question for the panel discussion people to give some idea. Okay, thank you very much for your attention.